Good morning, all of you.
Good morning,
Morning,
sir.
sir.
Good morning, sir.
Sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, sir. Sir, please, when start reading,
Sorry, beta. Sorry. Tell me again.
when we start,
Sorry,
ये बोलो
beta. Please keep your mics off.
sir, start reasoning work.
Reasoning. क्या कह रहे हो बेटा? रीजनिंग क्या? रीजनिंग वर्क का क्या करना है आपको?
Sir, when we start,
We will start reasoning after some days, beta. Don't worry. After completing the math syllabus, we will start reasoning. Yes, as always. Yes.
sir. On Friday, I have taken half class because I was going out of station. So, sir,
Okay.
can you tell the
Can you
work?
tell all work? Beta, what was done on Friday? Tell Adya, everyone. 5A के बच्चे निहित अग्रवाल निहित
Yes, sir. Sir,
बेटा क्या कराया था?
Friday we have done exercise 6.3. Sir,
हाँ
A question 1 and 2.
हाँ
1 and 2.
Adya, we had done till the second part of question A of exercise 6.3. Oh, okay.
Sir, in first part, A part, we have to do only 2 questions.
Till now we have done only the first 2 parts. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, 5B students, Adrika, Riyansh, all of you.
yes, sir.
Tell me
Yes, sir.
till
So
which?
we
Yes,
have
yes,
to
yes.
start.
Huh.
So we have to start with the second part of exercise 6.3.
That means question B we have to start, or question A second part.
Then this we have to write the remainder also.
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta. Yes, you have to write the remainder. We have to start question B. Adrika, am I right?
Yes, sir. We have to start with question B of exercise 6.3.
Okay, okay, okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay, yes, beta.
Sir, can you send me the chapter 5 of maths?
Chapter 5 of maths. I will
Sir,
send it.
multiplication.
I will send it on the group, on the group D section. Are you there? 5 हर क्लास
Yes,
का
sir.
D group बना
Yes,
हुआ
sir.
है. You are
Yes,
there
sir.
in that. So I will
Yes, sir.
send the work in that group. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Can
Thank
you
you,
tell?
sir.
Okay. So all of you.
We have to start from question B of 6.3.
Yes. So before starting with that, ये क्या है? Before starting with that, I will just discuss one part of question A. You all will check your answer. 5B students have already done. I will just do any one part of question A. You all will check your answer. You will tell me whether you have done it correctly or not. 5A के बच्चों ने शायद नहीं किया होगा, so you can note down in your copies. Okay. Everyone ready? Everyone ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं. Okay. Wait a minute.
We have to do
6.3 कर रहे हैं बेटा. बेटा गाड़ी वाला आया, घर से कचरा निकाल. प्लीज माइक ऑफ कर लो बेटा, नहीं तो गाड़ी वाला यहाँ से कचरा ले जाएगा.
Sir, can we do exercise 6.3. More questions?
क्या किसी के घर पे गाड़ी वाला कचरा लेके जाता है?
Sir, at my home.
वेरी गुड।
सर मेरे घर भी
Sir,
आता है
my
गाड़ी वाला।
गाड़ी
सर
वाला
आया हुआ है।
तो बेटा
sir, my home.
कौन कौन से बच्चे इस सॉन्ग पे डांस करते हैं? गाड़ी वाला आया घर से कचरा निकाल, इस सॉन्ग पे कौन कौन से बच्चे डांस करते हैं? नो वन, कोई नहीं करता है डांस? अरे मैं तो करता हूँ। अरे मैं तो करता हूँ, मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा सॉन्ग लगता है।
Sir, please open the camera and dance.
हाँ हाँ बेटा, वाह क्या बात है। प्लीज ओपन द कैमरा एंड डांस। चलो बेटा लेट्स स्टार्ट। कोई नहीं करता है? We are doing exercise 6.3. I am doing any one part of question A, one more part. I mean,
The
we have
third
already
part you are
done
doing.
question A. I am doing.
Second part.
Beta. I am doing the fourth part of question A. You all can check your answer. Fourth part of question A.
So can you do the second part one more time?
Beta, I will. Do you want to know the answer of second part? I will tell you the correct answer because we have already done it. इसलिए मैं कह रहा हूँ आद्या. Do you want to check your answer, Adya?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will tell you the answer. Just wait. Let me do the fourth one first. Or do you have any doubt in the second part? You want to check your answer?
Sir, I want to check my answer.
I will tell you the answer. Okay, don't worry. So we have to divide this very big number 21,57,948 by 351. Oh, 2157,948. So let's try with 351 multiplied by 6. 6 into 1 is 6. 30. 2106. I think this is fine. 6 लिख देंगे यहाँ पर. 2106. Why I am taking 4 digits? 4 digit क्यों ले रहे हैं बेटा? क्योंकि if we take 3 digits, the number will.
Because sir, the 3-digit number is smaller than 351.
Yes, very good. Reyansh is absolutely right. अगर 3 digit number लेंगे 215 अगर लेंगे तो ये तो 351 से छोटा है ना. So we will take a 4 digit number 2157. Okay. So 351 into 6 is 2106. Am I right? So 7 minus 6 1, 5 minus 0 5. ये कट गया. Next digit 9. 9 कॉपी हो गया देखो बेटा. ठीक है. So 519. So 351 into 1 is equal to 351. 1 आ जाएगा यहाँ पे बिकॉज अगर मैं 2 लूंगा तो 519 से बड़ा हो जाएगा. सो 351 आ गया. माइनस करो. ये आता है बेटा आप लोगों को ऐसे करना. 9 minus 1 is 8. 11 minus 5 is 6. 168 is the remainder. Very good. मांडव्य को भी आता है. देखो कितनी अच्छी बात है. 4 कॉपी हो गया ये. तो 351 इंटू 4 करके देखते हैं कि क्या आता है. 4 into 1 is 4. 4 into 5 is 20. 12 plus 2 is 14. 1404. I think ठीक है. 4 ही आएगा. 1404 082. 280 is the remainder. Last digit 8 कॉपी हो गए यहाँ पर. आ जाओ बेटा नीचे आ जाओ. आ गया. So 2808. Now 351 into 8 करो बेटा, देखो क्या आएगा.
minute. Sir,
Yes.
minute.
Yes, beta. 351 into 8. I am not removing it. 8 into 1 is 8. 8 into 5 is 44. 8 into 3 24 plus 4 is 28. आहा, मजा आ गया. So 8 यहाँ पे आ गया. 2808 मिल गया, देखो. Remainder 0.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
yes.
Sir, it
two
is
one
full divided.
351 2106. Then 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. Then you write 9.
बेटा मैंने 1 लिखा है. 7 minus 6. वो 9 मैंने ऊपर से नीचे कॉपी करा है.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, from 8.
Okay,
Sir,
sir.
from last
9,
digit
7, 9.
it is full divided.
Yes. Remainder is 0. That means the number is completely divisible.
1 here.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
8.
Please
to 6 बच्चा.
solve the fifth question also.
Yes. Sure. Why not?
और minus 3 है तो 4 आ गया. ठीक है. 4 इसको 4.
बेटा माइक ऑफ करके करो बेटा, ज्यादा अच्छे से हो जाएगा. वेरी गुड. यू आर अ वेरी गुड स्टूडेंट.
Sir, we can do third question. Sir, done.
We will do the fifth part of this question, not the third one. Third one आपको नहीं करना है बेटा, ठीक है.
Okay, sir. So, sir, we will do the B part now.
नहीं, फिफ्थ पार्ट करेंगे अभी. क्वेश्चन ए का फिफ्थ पार्ट करेंगे. So answer बेटा. आद्या, आर यू देयर? आद्या भाटिया.
Yes, sir.
I'm telling the answer of the second part. The answer is 359.
Okay, sir.
Remainder is
Sir,
0.
Remainder is 0. Sir,
Yes.
and the
Remainder.
answer of first part is 642 and the remainder is 0.
Very good. So Adya, your answer is correct.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Let's do the fifth part of the question. I hope you all have done this in your copy now. May I remove it from the board?
No, sir.
No. जल्दी करो बेटा.
Sir, I have done.
You have done.
Ojasvi has done.
Ojasvi has done.
Sir, done.
Done. I have also done.
Sir, we can do the fifth part by our own.
You all can try it on your own also. I am doing it on the board. Okay, so if you want any help, you can look at the board. Fifth part of the question. We have to divide a very small number, 30,39,498, by a very large number, which is 561. 30 lakh 39,498 is a very small number, and the very large number by which we have to divide is 561. Okay, 561. Beta, do you all know that sometimes I joke in the class? Do you all know this? No?
Sir, what?
sir.
Do you understand my jokes? Sometimes I joke in the class. Do you understand my jokes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
sir.
Very good. You all are very intelligent. Chalo, so the number is 561. Divisor is 561. If we take 3 digits, 303, तो ये तो छोटा हो जाएगा. Let's take 4 digits. 3039 कर लेते हैं. And let's try with 5. 561 multiplied by 5. 5 into 1 is 5. 5 into 6 is 30. 3, 25 plus 3, 28. Wow. 2805. So 5, 2805 माइनस कर लो बेटा. माइनस करके क्या आएगा? सुपरमैन ने बताया था 9 minus 5 is 4. 3 minus 0 is 3. 10 minus 8 is 2. ये 0 हो गया. ठीक है. देन नेक्स्ट डिजिट 4 कॉपी हो जाएगा. सो 2344. ठीक है. लेट्स ट्राई विद द नंबर. आई थिंक वी शुड ट्राई विद 4. 561 into 4. 4 into 1 is 4. 4 into 6 is 24. 20 plus 2 is 22. 2244. 2244. 2244. So 561 into 4 is 2244. माइनस करके बचा 100. 9 नीचे ले आओ बेटा. इसको 9 को ले आए नीचे. 1009. I think we will multiply 561 by 1 only, because अगर 2 से multiply करेंगे तो बड़ा हो जाएगा. So 561. 561 into 1 is 561. Remainder कितना बचा? 9 minus 1 is 8. 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. Okay. And now the last digit 8. इसको भी ले आओ नीचे. नीचे आ जाओ बेटा. 8. 4488 कैसे आएगा? 4488. 561 into 8 कर लो. देखो 8 multiplied by 8 करके देखिए क्या आ रहा है. 8 into 1 is 8. 8 into 6 is 48. 4. 40 plus 4 is 44. आ गया 4488. 8 लगा लो यहाँ पे. 4488. Remainder 0. So what is the quotient? The quotient is 5418 and the remainder is 0. Have you all understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Have you all understood, beta? Are you all writing it in your copies?
Yes,
Sir, I
sir.
have already
Yes,
done
sir.
6 questions.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Chalo beta, after this, those who have done this and those who are still doing it after completing it, what you have to do is you will do the first part of question B. Try it on your own first. पहले आपको अपने आप try करना है. Question B का first part try करिए. I am giving you 2 minutes and 48 seconds for this. चलो 3 minute 48 seconds. ठीक है. थोड़े कम हो जाएंगे. 2 minute 48 seconds. 3 minute 48 seconds का मैं टाइम दे रहा हूँ आपको.
सर 3 मिनट 50 सेकेंड्स.
बेटा आद्या यस बताइए.
Sir, I'm doing the fifth part.
यू आर डूइंग द फिफ्थ पार्ट. ये वाला कर रही हैं आप?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा कोई बात नहीं. आप कर लीजिए. कंप्लीट करने के बाद फिर आप करिएगा क्वेश्चन बी का फर्स्ट पार्ट. एवरीवन स्टार्ट डूइंग क्वेश्चन बी फर्स्ट पार्ट. Have you all done the question?
Yes, sir.
Please wait for 1 minute.
Okay, okay. Adya is
Yes,
doing.
sir, done.
Adya beta complete karo.
Sir, I have written.
Adrika is done.
Sir, I am not finding my book, so please write the question.
Sir,
Arey,
my
Avika beta, you don't
wrong.
have the book?
Sir, I have, sir, but I am not.
You are not able to find it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, I am writing the question on the board. We had to divide.
Sir, please wait for 1 minute.
Yes, beta.
Sir, please wait for 1 minute.
Yes. Question B, first part, 6,71,294 divided by 4821, 4,821. Now we can start doing the question. Is Alokik Pathak there in the meeting? Alokik Pathak is there. Is he there in the meeting?
No, sir.
He is not there.
Yes, sir. He is not there in the meeting.
Okay.
Sir, I have done.
Very good, beta.
Sir, can I tell the answer?
Yes, tell your answer.
Sir, my answer is 1,807. And that's the remainder is 1,447.
Okay.
So can I
Sir,
tell my answer? So may I tell my answer?
Yes, beta. Tell your answer, Adrika.
Okay, sir.
39 and sir, my remainder is
So my
1,170.
answer is 139 and the remainder is 1,175.
Okay. So all those who have done, they can send their answer in the chat box so that I can check. because ऐसे mic पे तो check करना it is a little difficult. Please send your answers in the chat box, everyone. I will check your answer. And also do one thing, start doing the second part of question B. Question B का second part start करिए सब लोग जल्दी से. Have you all done the second part of question B?
Yes, sir.
Sir, please wait.
Send your answer, beta.
Okay. Sir, I have sent the answer.
Okay.
Sir, I am sending.
Yes, Adya, please send it.